just got to Vanfest here in Melbourne, Florida, and all the buses and vans, they're all starting to load in. It's gonna be a fun weekend. We're gonna be opening up our bus for tours for the public, and then we play on Saturday. I think my kids have
yeah, they just like
commandeered.
Yeah, we have your kids then.
So we're here at Vanfest. When you walk around and you look at a bunch of people's rigs, you're just like, wow, you feel so inspired. And so I got the help of Seth, who's a master builder, electrician, and he's gonna help me turn my front door into a door that actually opens and closes without having to use like the bus mechanicisms that I had before. We're gonna turn our door into a swinging door, and it's gonna be awesome. All right, before we work on our door, Sawyer and Seth, we're gonna get some coffee. All right, Seth, what's the first step?
First step is we got to get that door off the track. And it looks like there's a couple bolts on there. So
Brilliant.
if we mess up and this doesn't work, we can always just bolt it back together.
Easy.
Yeah. So
No problem.
That's step number one.
Let's do it.
All right.
Nope. Wrong.
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 Do it again.
First things first, rest in peace, Uncle Phil. For real.
Hey, does it swing out? Oh no, the thing on the top stopping it. So we can take that off too.
Yep.
So this is Seth's bus right here. And we're gonna do a whole tour video of his soon because, I mean, you gotta see it, it's really great. And I guess everybody's doing projects today because we got CJ over here doing his window.
Oh yeah, it's project
where are you
day.
hiding it?
It's project day.
You might be able to turn this around 180 degrees so that your door actually like returns to a seal.
So we're gonna turn that around and then this door will close onto that. That's what we want. And we got Grandpa hanging out with Sawyer.
Let's go.
Step 2.
All right, so we ran into a massive problem.
Massive.
The door does not swing outward.
It doesn't. So we're thinking about either one, giving up,
Or disconnecting the handle that opens the door, because I think that will allow it to swing outward.
yeah, you're probably right. This is the original handle that opens and closes the door. We just realized that in order for the door to swing out, we have to disconnect that. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Oh, more people are pulling in. Chris! Woo, woo, woo!
We're just cutting into the side of their bus. We had it all lined up, measured, ready to go. I love that it's got like
halfway down. I was like, it was just like,
All right, these guys are the ones that told me I can do it.
You can.
So we can do it.
It's gonna be worth it.
Oh yeah!
That term is called shaming.
Woohoo! All right, step 3.
Step 3 and 4, really. So there was a rubber seal that kept the door from swinging out on the track.
Yes.
I think that we can flip that around and use it for the door to return to swing in.
Yes.
So we're gonna cut that and mount that and get the door returning as it should.
So step 3 and 4.
Yep.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
I'll let you have it. It's not mine to get, but I'll let you have it. Also, it'd be like food. A hell of a food.
You love food.
Dude, it's something.
This is
Look at all of our people watching us.
Get a whole crowd. You can't feel bad.
Here's the thing though, if you make a plan, you're probably gonna have to remake a new one.
The moment of truth, Sawyer. Hey, wait, hey. Hey. That is so perfect. Oh my gosh, you know what you're doing.
And honestly, if it does, if your lip hits this, that would actually be ideal.
All right, we got Tyler from the Broken Compass Bus here.
that's true, you know what I mean? Like the actual, like.
This is step 6, right?
Yeah. So this is the lock that we're using, and it's going to work, but we ran into a couple issues. The thickness of the door, which we need to slide this guy inside the hollowness of the door, and it's like exactly the same size. So I think after measuring it, we have a unibit that's going to be able to drill this out enough to fit it in there, but we may have to pivot and put this into wood and mount wood on the inside of the door.
Okay.
Okay. So the only thing that matters on this side.
All right, we got this thing mounted. The bolt is in.
This has to go like this.
Is that bad?
Well, your thing's just gonna stick below. Is that okay?
Oh, Emily's back. Time to go turn on the ACs for the family because it's hot in here.
She was telling her, she said she was with one of the others.
All right, look at this. Oh yeah.
We went. I think about it now and never let the lie to those stairs.
So that's what you work on a wheel?
All right, I think we did it. So it's locked. And now the code. Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Heck yeah, dude. All right, step who knows what. I'm so tired. Struts.
Gas strut to make the door automatically shut. We're gonna clean up, and then after that, we're gonna make things look pretty.
Yeah, here we go.
Oh yeah.
Question: when you guys put your
All right, I got Tyler now helping me with the strut part.
put the pudding in the cup, I have no idea what I'm doing.
Yep, me neither. So we're gonna make a great pair.
What
What do you think we should do first?
I think we should screw this in first. Ow! Is this thing on?
A lot of those things.
I did. Okay, now you're gonna want the door closed for this part.
Okay.
And then
And then we need our metal screws.
Yes.
Well, we did it. Look at that thing. Seth, CJ, we did it.
I didn't do anything. But I love hugs.
Now it's time to clean up.